Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can save to SD cards in Bambu Studio. Basically, if you're using something like the Macintosh OS or the Mac OS, you want to navigate through your design right here. Click on Slice Plate or Preview, and then you want to press Control or the Command G button, and then you want to export the G code, and then you want to select the SD card from there. If you're using something like Windows, you want to navigate through File, click Export, and then select G code. You then want to look for your SD card. So in my case, it's going to be on the right here, which is going to be Kingston. So I'm just going to select this file, click on the save button, and then it will simply save this specific G code onto my SD card. So from there, I could just plug this onto my printer and then it will print accordingly. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.